Video of brakes I installed on the 8N. Well, here's how you do it. Brake shoe, this here's on the outside. There's another bar on the inside. Same way on the top. Adjuster, spring. These are, you have to put these little doodads here in the new brake shoes. Also remember to, you have to put this bar in while you're putting the, make sure you got the bar, well, you may not take this bar off here. Oh, I had to do the seal, so don't worry about that. Make sure you put this shoes in like this. There's 2 slots in it. Well, that slot goes in on the top one. It won't go like that. It's got to go, the bottom one goes in like that, and then the other one will have to be the opposite. So you say, well, what do you need to do that for? Well, there's a little alignment deal back in there. That's why. I don't know if I can show you or not. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, you can right there. Right there, that one is bent a little bit. Anyway, that slides up in there, holds it. And then the other piece is a little round deal. Right there, you can kind of see it. Hope that explains it. And there you go. Had to redo the seal, so I had to take all this off. Take these 4 bolts off, some more bolts, and replace the seal, which I'll show you what it looked like. Where's it at? Here it is, right here. Outer seal. I think it was $8. So that's what I'm doing this morning. And of course you have to take the brake drum off, which has a couple washers like that and a pin or spring deal, which right here it is. This here. And you take that off, and because it fits in that slot there, in case you don't know. Oily, huh? I was needing to replace that. So anyway, hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Bye.